Not be fooled by the snow you wake up to on the ground tomorrow morning, because the storm will just be getting started. Meteorologist Chris Bianchi breaks down the early indicators we can all watch for to see if this is going to be a bust or live up to forecast expectations.
Well, we've got a major snowstorm heading to Denver, which means the question that you're probably asking, how much snow will fall at my house? So if you want a lower end snowfall amount, you don't want as much snow, you want the snow rain to kind of mix around until after midnight. That's when we would transition over to fully snow. We have lower snowfall ratios overnight, but if you want a boom of a snowstorm, you want the 1.5 foot, 18, 19-inch snowfall event, you want that transition to take place earlier, before midnight, between about 6 and 9 p.m., which seems possible for us between now and 9 p.m. And then we would have 2 to 3 inch per hour snowfall rates overnight. So I always like to look at it from a confidence-based perspective. Remember, we're predicting the future. It's not necessarily a forecast, right? So the most likely scenario is we end up with 10 to 20 inches worth of snowfall. That's a wide range. But if you want that lower end scenario, then we've got that mixing taking place until after midnight. But if you want the higher end scenario, then we flip over quick with those high snow rates overnight.